You need to hear this if you're a car enthusiast or a professional mechanic. Let's talk about CW Bearing. At CW Bearing, we know that quality and reliability aren't just buzzwords, they're essential. Our bearings, hub assemblies, and steering components meet original equipment standards, ensuring they perform just like the parts that came with your vehicle. From professional mechanics to DIY enthusiasts, our meticulously engineered products deliver unmatched performance. Need hub assemblies or wheel bearings? We've got you covered with parts that ensure a smooth, stable ride. Our ball bearings reduce friction and efficiently support loads, while our roller bearings handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. And let's not forget our steering components. They enable precise control and responsive handling, making every drive safe and enjoyable. Choose CW Bearing for OE standard quality, sustainable practices, and reliability. Feel the difference with every turn of the wheel. Keep rolling with CW Bearing.